Hello there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Today we are going to propagate the golden pathos, the ajwain plant and the inch plant. These plants are actually very easy to propagate because they take roots very easily. All we have to do is find the nodes of the plants and cut a little below that in a slanting way. I usually propagate plants in glass jars. So even if you keep changing the water, there is always a green algae that is formed and that makes it very ugly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give those bottles a little styling because I usually keep it indoors or in my kitchen. But if I'm going to style the bottle, I'm sure I cannot see the roots coming out. But we can always make sure that the plants are healthy by looking at the leaves itself. So all you have to do is leave it to propagate, give it some time. The time limit would be at least 3 weeks. Please do not disturb the plants for at least 3 to 4 weeks. And if the leaves don't dry up, you can be sure that at the end of the 3rd or 4th week, the roots would have started growing. So let's start propagating in style. The materials used are some wool, beads, paper flowers and wasted buttons from old clothes. Check the water level once in every 2 days and refill if necessary. Place the plants in the bottle and make sure the nodes are immersed in water. So this is after 3 weeks of propagation. And you can see very clearly that the roots have come out really well. So now we can actually plant the plants in the soil itself, and you can see the shoots also coming out. The ajwain plant has also grown really well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.